Pero, nasa Puerto Princesa kami. So, we have 5 to 6 hours pang biyahe. Grabe, tulog lang ako pang biyahe lang.
Sa Grab, sa airplane, tapos sa board, ay nag-board. Sleep, sleep, sleep.
Okay. 5 more hours. Good morning! Good morning. It's day 1 ng tour. And nag-breakfast na kami ni Honey. Kinakabahan kami kasi baka daw hindi tuloy kasi may bagyo. Hopefully wala kasi if ever affected yun tomorrow. Ni, good morning. 8 to 9 daw kami susunduin for tour. Ay, grabe. Natulog kami for 12 hours. From 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. tulog. Grabe yung pagbawi namin dun sa biyahe. Hilong-hilo. Anyway, okay. Hopefully, matuloy. So, this is our tour.
Ay,
Si Annie, busy na doon mamili. Tcharan! Nandito na kami sa port and ready na kami ni Honey. Hey, we're complete! Yan na. So, ito yung port. So, magkakaya kami and then yun yung boat namin somewhere there. So, naglakad na lang kami pa sa kagad. Yan na. Okay, bye-bye! Kasi ang tagal eh. Kung magkakaya pa kami. So, first destination, 7 Commando. So, super daming people. Anyway, picture kami dito ni Honey. Okay, let's go. See. So, this is the Secret Lagoon.
ano naman.
Pagkapasok, labas agad. Okay, kayak time, Honey. I have sugat from Secret Lagoon. Chi. Yun na yung big lagoon. Okay lang. Ikaw lang yung papaddle? Yes? Tired. Paano makapinicturean eh? Crazy. Okay, dami ng people here.
Puntahan natin. Anywhere you rest.
Yeah, wait. Tired na si Honey. Honey, look! Hey, oh. What did you say?
I'm gonna save you, my princess. We'll sail to the sea. Sail walking.
Sobrang lakas na ng current. Everyone's struggling. Oh my God. Is it deep na? Oh no. Life update. Nag-lunch na kami dito sa boat. Now, kakabalik lang namin ng boat from Big Lagoon. I don't know if magsusnorkel pa kami kasi super lakas na ng wave. Super struggle na kami pabalik. Okay, this is why we can't snorkel today. Oh my God. Sobrang lakas na ng wave. We have to go back. We're so confused where to go. Look at their tricycle. Hey, sports car. Outfit check. Ano?
100. Racing sa akin ni Kuya dun, 1.5 sa...
Time to eat dinner. Pork belly and grilled chicken. Okay, let's eat.
Like one of us has, we can like, or he give you air.
Gusto waiting kung tuloy ang tour, but nag-ready na din kami and nakapag-breakfast na kami plus na-try na namin yung coffee shop dito sa katabi ng accommodation. And outfit check. If hindi matuloy yung tour, see today, we're just gonna use our free day para try niya ni magnakpan and mag-rent kami ng motor. Anyway. So, tonight, but 2D na lang. Kasi yun lang yung allowed for today. But it's okay. At least puro lagoons instead of beaches. Okay. This so nice. So we're waiting for our kayaks kasi medyo madaming people. Basta kami picture and magkakayak na kami doon. Thank you, Annie, for the picture.
Where are we going?
Dun sa small rock. So, nasa small lagoon kami but we're not gonna go kayaking na. So, we're just gonna fly our drone. Super nice. Hey. Done. Mag-drone and now mag-snorkel kami. Aming lunch. Maghahanap po tayo ng sugat for tonight, for today.
Yun is nakatulak.
Bayani po tayo ng turista for today. Can you read for me, love?
Ko lang yung isang tali sa akin.
Ay, akin hindi na kagano'n. Paradise Beach.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.